everybody, how you doing? Steve Miller with the Genie Marketing System. Today we're going to go over how to create a report. Reports are awesome. Reports can be used for lead bait. So if you wanted to do a social media advertisement that said click here for your free market report, this is where you would create the market report to send them after they've given you their information. But it's more than that. I mean, we can use these reports to send to our sphere of influence for marketing. We can put these on iPads. We can print these out and use them at open houses and listing presentations. So it just goes on and on. There's much more than just using lead bait. And you can see it looks very similar to the graphics section here. So you'll have all of your templates over here on the left-hand side. And if we click on one, you'll be able to edit it in the section over here. Now, some of the things that we can change are like the color scheme that we have. We have different categories for the templates over here. So if you make more as you go down and you save some more templates on your own, you can categorize them over here and be able to find them easily. We can change the different area if you want for the data. So all of your farms will be in here and you can change those. You can change the date range for the data as well. Now we can put a customer name in. So if we want to put Bob Smith in here, we can actually customize this particular to Bob Smith. And then that way, if it's a special customer or maybe a special neighborhood and this particular person is someone we really want to impress, we can say, okay, now this is prepared exclusively for Bob Smith. And then of course we can change the property type where the data is based around as well. So it's either single family or condos. Now, this is a 15-page report that I just created, and you can see we've got a bunch of different slides on it, all sorts of different looks at the data. We pull over the listing information from the MLS, we have charts, we have price per square foot and so forth. So this is gonna be data that the homeowner can't really find elsewhere. And then what's really cool is it's gonna do all of your branding at once, so you don't have to worry about the branding at the end of the day. It's just all gonna happen automatically. Now, we can also click on the Edit Template button down here. This Edit Template button will allow us to move slides around. We can delete slides. We can add new slides. And you can see we have a vast collection of slides over here, which you can mix and match. You can plug in your just listed. You can do custom blank ones that you can fully customize. But this lets you kind of move everything around and make your own template if you want, and then you can actually save this as a brand new template to use on all of your farms. So really, really useful tool. Maybe you have a particular format that you like to make, and then so you can save that as a template and just keep reusing that over and over again. Once you're done with this, you can click this Generate PDF button. Much like the graphics section, you'll be able to save it as a PDF, or we can also do it as a video as well. And video works really well for social media advertising. If you want to share it like a BombBomb email, there's all sorts of cool things you can do with video as well. So this creates a slideshow video, which lets you change the seconds per slide, lets you add music, and then you can generate the video. Usually takes a minute or two to generate, but once it's done, you'll have an MP4 file that you can easily share. So that's the report section. Next, we're going to take a look at some of the other sections. So thanks.